In today's video, Peletto.pl will present a line for packaging granules, fuel pellets, and all other loose products. The line is equipped with a 4-meter belt conveyor with fans, a 600-liter tank with a pellet cooler, an extraction system with 4 sleeves, a special product dosing and weighing system with a horizontal mini-belt conveyor, and a welding machine for bags filled with material. Granules coming out of the line go to a belt conveyor, which performs 2 functions at the same time. The first one is to move the granules to a cooling container. The second one is additional, preliminary cooling of the granules during transport. The principle of operation of the cooler is based on long-term cooling of the granulate through the volume of the hopper. Once the material enters the filled cooler, it moves to the bottom as the operator fills the bags. The pellets in the bunker are constantly cooled by air, and at the same time, exhaust fans remove hot and humid air. Effective air circulation is ensured by an extraction system equipped with an anti-dust fan and special bags for dust collection and filtration. The air supply through the lower part of the radiator is ensured thanks to a special air lock located in the upper part of the funnel. The presence of the installed dispenser will allow you to fill the bags according to previously set weight parameters, and the welding machine will quickly heat the bag filled with pellets. If you have additional questions, our specialists are at your disposal by phone. We provide a free opportunity to test your raw material on our machine, so call us, make an appointment and see for yourself.